Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show everyone on how to automatically add grid lines on their survey drawing. So to do just that, the first thing to do is to make a little bit changes on the unit setup by typing UN and click on enter, which is the unit. So the changes you'll be making is in the direction, so you will uncheck the clockwise. If you have an already made plan this way, alright, you uncheck the clockwise, you come to direction and you make that east, then you click on OK. So that is just the little changes, then you click on OK. Alright, so after you're done with that, you will come to the command line, then you type app, then you click on enter. So you will navigate to where you have the lisp file. So I have my lisp file under the lisp folder. So these are different lisp file. So what I'll be using in the course of this video is the draw grid lisp file. So if you're in need of this file, you can check under the video description to see the download link to that. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable content from us. Thank you. So you click on the lisp file, it's going to appear here, then you click on load. It's going to load successfully. When that is done, you click on close. Then the next thing is to come to your command line, then you type GG, then you click on enter. So the next prompt is to select the lower left corner, which is this. Then the next prompt is to select the upper right corner. So I want my grid to appear on this particular frame and not for the whole of the frame, alright, because this particular region is for my title and the legend. So I'll be clicking on this upper right corner here. So when I'm done with that, I'll come to my command line and you will see the next prompt is to enter the grid spacing. So in the course of this video, I'll be using the 20-meter interval grid spacing. Then I'll click on enter. So the next prompt is to enter the text height. So I'll be using 2. Then I'll click on enter. So guys, as you can see, it has successfully generated the grid lines on my survey drawing. So that is just how to add grid lines automatically on AutoCAD. So I'll just make a little bit editing. As you can see, the grid lines, they are discontinuous line. So I'll click on one of the line, then I'll right click, then go to select similar. So it's going to select other lines features. Then I'm going to come to my properties, then scroll down to by layer, then make it continuous. Alright, then click on escape on my keyboard. So the lines are now continuous. So after that editing, you come to one of the coordinates, you click on it, you right click, you select similar. So the grid lines is expected to be in blue, so I'm going to come to properties, then come to by layer here, then make it blue. So when I'm done with that, that is all for adding your grid lines automatically on your survey drawings. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do well to hit on the subscribe button just now and turn on your notification on this channel to keep getting valuable content. Thank you. See you next time.